From Genesis Medical Center right down the street. We're next to the Best Buy in Irvine, BMW. We've been there for about 7 to 8 years. We're a functional clinic, functional medicine. Myself, I'm an MD. I have a couple of doctors that work for us at the facility and a couple of nurse practitioners. Our approach is functional medicine, which means that we go to the basics and to the components that actually make up your health. So we look at preventive technologies and methodologies and modalities to help you with your health in general. We believe in holistic health, which includes the mind, the body, and the spirit. And we have acupuncturists. We have we have physical therapists. We also have integrative medicine doctors, regenerative doctors. We do stem cells, PRP. We do a lot of. We try to stay away from a lot of the chemical synthetic drugs. Our doctors don't prescribe much unless you're already on some medications that you've been prescribed by your primary care. We tend to manage those and decrease those because a lot of people in this community are on more than 10 to 12 drugs at any one time. And all of those have reactions and interactions and side effects, and most people just continue to take those drugs, and a lot of the ailments that you do suffer are from those drug interactions. So we want to get a hold of those and make sure that you're not taking medications that are counterintuitive and counter-reactive to each other. And then on top of that, our experience with PEMF, we've had these machines for a long time. I used it myself. They told me I needed a complete hip replacement back in 2011. And then with some PRP and stem cells and also PEMF, I still haven't gotten a surgery, and I'm good. And I can jump on it. so no pain. And I'm 48 years old, so I thought I didn't want to get a total hip replacement 10 years ago. So I think there's a lot to be said for you guys coming out today. I mean, I'm very happy to see all you out here because the number one step for your health is to educate yourself. And when you educate yourself and you get this knowledge, like Wolfgang presented to you, it's very important because then you can actually address the ailments that you have. Without knowledge, knowledge is power. You have to get the information first. And I'm very happy to see all of you because this is an initial step that you take to come out and actually educate yourself. Once you do that, then you can be your best doctor. The best doctor for your body is you. You know your body the best. I'm not with you. The other doctors, the other practitioners are not with you every day. You are. You see what affects your body, what takes you to a better state, and what takes you to a worse state, and what things you eat, what things you put in, what things you experience. So this is all part of your health, so that's very important. At Genesis, we always focus on these things first, and then we also have some IV therapies that we formulated. I keep abreast of all the new and latest and greatest IV treatments for different ailments. And he mentioned that 90% of these vitamins that you take or supplements that you take, a lot of it just goes into your urine. So you have to have some type of absorption into the blood system, into your organs, and into your liver, and to actually get an effect of all these micronutrients. So that's very important to get some type of IV system in you. We promote that once or twice a month, and then we also have good discounts, and we take PPO insurance and Medicare for those of you that have that. The PEMF, again, I used it. I had every PEMF unit that we've bought for our office. Whenever I give it to one of our patients, they use it, they buy it, they keep it, and then they travel and they take it with them. So none of them actually stay at our office. So it's a good system. It helps a lot with anti-inflammation, circulation, and as you guys all know, inflammation is the basis of the majority of the diseases that people get. Inflammation is the basis. So if you can decrease that inflammation by increasing your circulation and increasing your natural oxygen in all your organs and avoiding that sedentary lifestyle, then you're going to be ahead of the game in terms of longevity and living long and having a quality of life, which is very important. And those are the kind of the themes that we focus on at Genesis. We do joint pain. We do sexual health. We do brain and cognitive rejuvenation. We have programs for all that. And, anytime you want, come visit us. We would help. Wonderful to see you guys. And if you have any questions, we can answer them later. Thank you.